everyone. We are Team Delta, a team that is dedicated to making a positive effect on the community. Focusing on environmental cleanups, the main objective of our presentation is to unite people together and gather people who are passionate about improving the state of our community. In our presentation, we are going to adopt a servant leadership approach that mainly shows putting the needs of the community first and leading with humility, commitment, and empathy. At Team Delta, we believe that by encouraging the people and promoting unity, we can achieve more than what we could do alone.
Good morning, guys. Thank you sa pag-attend. Is everyone good? I hope everyone's good. Ang goal lang natin ay simple lang naman. Linisin yung community natin at gawing mas maayos ang paligid. Pero before tayo mag-start, may mga tanong or concerns pa kayo?
Ang concern ko lang about this is, sa totoo lang, parang ang dami natin masyadong lilinisin. Kakayanin ba natin to?
Ako excited akong tumulong, kaya lang hindi ko alam kung saan tayo magsisimula. May plano na ba tayo?
Actually, maganda ba to? Pero may magbabago ba talaga? Like, paano pag dumumi ulit?
Magbibigay na lang ng cleaning supplies, pero I want to make sure na gagamitin natin ito ng tama.
Paano natin i-organize yung trabaho? Baka magulo kasi kung sabay-sabay tayong gagalaw.
Dapat hindi lang tayo basta maglilinis. Paano kaya kung magtayo tayo ng recycling program?
Ayun lang yung concerns nyo. So, thank you, guys. Ang dami yung magagandang points. Alonzo, I get you. So, okay. Para hindi tayo ma-overwhelm, hatiin natin yung area sa mas maliliit na zones para madaling ma-monitor yung progress.
Ayan, mas maganda yan. Mas madali talaga kung kanya-kanya tayong section.
Carl and Antonio, kayo mag-a-assign ng teams. Carl, ikaw sa general waste cleanup. Antonio, ikaw naman sa recycling kasama si Christopher.
Sige, ako na bahala sa general waste team.
Gagawa ko ng checklist para mas organized tayo.
Good idea. Christopher, kaya mo bang gumawa ng sorting system para sa recyclables?
Oo naman, maglalagay tayo ng separate bins para sa plastic, paper at bottles.
Mukhang may sistema kayo. Sige, tutulungan kayong spread yung news sa buong barangay.
Actually, kanina medyo alanganin ako pero I think maayos naman to kaya sali na ako.
Good naman yung plan nyo, nagustuhan ko siya. Magpapadala na lang ako ng extra gloves at trash bags.
Kapag nakita kong successful tong project, magbibigay ako ng funding para sa next cleanup drive.
Ika-cover ko to sa local news. Mas maraming sasali kung makikita na lang effective tayo.
So pinag-iisipan kong mag-donate ng snacks and drinks para sa volunteers. But since may malinaw na kayong plano, dadagdagan ko pa yung support.
Very good, guys. Hatiin natin yung tasks. Tapos, mag-check-in tayo after 30 minutes para makita yung progress. Also, tandaan natin na nandito tayo para magtulungan gumawa ng impact.
Ayan, mas confident na ako ngayon. Tara, simulan na natin.
Oo, kung mas mabilis tayo mag-start, mas mabilis din tayo matatapos.
Ipopost ko to online para mas maraming sumali. Tapos mag-i-interview na rin ako ng volunteers para mapakita yung kwento nila.
Goods yan. I-share ko yan sa lahat ng social media account ko.
Okay, sige. Ibibigay ko na yung snacks at drinks para may energy kayo habang naglilinis.
Alright, mukha namang effective yung mga approach nyo. So, i-recommend ko ito para maging city-wide initiative.
Thank you, guys, sa lahat ng effort nyo. I'm so happy. Talagang ang leadership ay hindi lang about sa pagiging boss, no? It's about paglilingkod sa iba para sumakses tayong lahat. Once again, thank you, everyone, and see you. Bye!
Bye. Thank you.
As we end our presentation, we want to leave you with an important message. Real change starts with us. By embracing servant leadership, we put the community first, leading with empathy and commitment. No matter how small your effort, it brings us closer to a cleaner and healthier future. Once again, we are Team Delta. Thank you for watching and listening.